In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two different Google Sheets seamlessly. This will be particularly useful if you have data dispersed across various spreadsheets and wish to consolidate it into one place for easier access and manipulation. It's a handy skill, especially for data managers, financial analysts, or anyone involved in handling large volumes of data. Let's dive right in. First, ensure that you have both the Google Sheets open. Start with the sheet containing the original data that you want to import. Once you're in, look at the address bar of your browser and copy the link URL. This link is crucial as it will be used to establish a connection between the two spreadsheets. Having completed this, head over to your second spreadsheet, the one into which you intend to import the data. Decide on the particular cell where you'd like this imported data to begin. Now, in that target cell, you'll use the IMPORTRANGE function. To start, type in IMPORTRANGE in the cell. Immediately following this, you'll need to open a parenthesis which sets up the function. Paste the URL of your first sheet that you copied earlier, and remember to surround this URL with quotation marks. This specifies the source of the data clearly to Google Sheets. Next, put in a comma to separate the parameters within the function. You'll now need to enter the specific sheet and the range you want to import. This detail should also be inside quotation marks. For example, if your data is on a sheet named Data, and the range is from A1 to C10, you would enter Data A1C10. Close the parenthesis to complete the formula and hit Enter. This action instructs Google Sheets to pull in data from the specified range in your original sheet. If you're doing this for the first time, you might see an error message, but don't worry, it's common. Simply click on the cell with the error, and you'll see a prompt with an Allow Access button. Selecting this allows the sheets to communicate, giving the formula the necessary permissions to import data from the other spreadsheet. And just like that, your data should now appear in the second sheet. You've effectively created a live link between these two spreadsheets. This means that whenever the original data is updated, your second sheet will also reflect these changes automatically, keeping your data always current. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've set up a dynamic and efficient way to manage your information across multiple Google Sheets. If you find this process useful, be sure to apply it whenever you need to connect data between spreadsheets in the future. Thank you for watching, and happy data managing.